Manually route IP addresses. A gateway is a device that connects two networks. We are going to set routes to allow our network traffic to find a way to communicate with other networks. Automatically, DHCP sets up the routes for us. But to do this task manually, you can use the command routes or IP routes. To display the current route on the system, type route. It will display the route table. Or you can also type IP route and it displays the same information. On our previous lesson, we created a connection without a route, which will cause the system not able to reach other networks. To verify, we're going to ping Google by typing ping the C3 and then 8.8.8.8. It displays the error network is unreachable because we don't have the appropriate routes to get to the network. We can add a default route by typing route add default gateway and then specify the gateway. My gateway is 10.0.2.2. When we display the route tables, you will see there's a default gateway set up. To delete the default gateway, simply type route del default gateway and the gateway that you specify. Hit enter. We check routes. We check the route table. The entry has been deleted. We can also use IP route to set the default gateway by typing IP route add default via, then type the gateway address, which is 10.0.2.2. and check the route table. You see the gateway, the default gateway is set. To check whether we can reach to the network, ping let's see 3.8.8.8.8. we get a signal back. We was able to get to the network. To delete the default gateway where IP routes del default via 10.0.2.2. I'll list the route tables. You see the entry has been deleted. We can also add routes to get to a network by simply typing route add the network address at 10.0.2.0. The network device EMP0S3 and the gateway 10.0.2.2. We check the route tables, which you see the entry in it. We can also do that with the IP route add the network address 10.0.2.0 via the gateway address, which is 10.0.2.2, and the device dev EMP0S3. The metric just specify which routes to take first. Hit enter. We check the list, the routes. When we check the route table, You should see the entry in it too. Or we can simply just edit our network interface configuration file by typing vi/etc/sysconfig network scripts /if Linux, and then just specify the gateway. Thank you for watching.